Alright, so this is my behind the scenes. All my friends are working today and I have to shoot it today. So I have no choice but to enlist the help of my mom and maybe run get rolled over, hopefully. We'll see how it go. But yeah, this is few choices, two choices, backed by Daddy P. I can be starring in it too. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, so I'm in my wardrobe, suit, yeah. This is the room, camera. We're about to get this ish done. Alright, last scene. Hit the road, you guys get everything. Yeah, this is my B.T.S. I can give you the next thing when I actually doing the song. You can get the next part. Okay, right now I'm just filming. Right, I'm acting, writer, filmer, editor, sound design. This is like a one-man Jamaica one-man film thing. I hope you guys like it. Alright, so I finished. Alright, so finished editing now. Yeah, I think I have my MyRodeReel short for 2017. I have to edit this now, so I can edit this and yeah, look out. Everybody you don't know, Daddy P, Pierce McCree, Jussbuss TV, big up the whole crew, Andrew John, Mark B, Alex, Chari, everybody, Kevin, yo, Tippy Liffy, yo, everybody, you know yourself. See me? Big up Jaran, see me? Him actually met me just said, fuck it and let's do this. You can look out for him on too. Yeah, yo, just big up everybody that ever helped me and motivate me and all of that. There's so many people, you can't name them all, or this video will not finish, I swear to you. But yeah, two choices. Daddy P short film.